Here, we're gonna paint. We're doing a paint by numbers. Ooh, I'm excited. This is so cute. I got it from Michael's. And it comes with a little frame. How freaking cute. Oh my god. I love shit like this. It got me tea. So good. You can't stand when people do that. I'm sorry. I was just really enjoying and really processing all of the tea profile, including the sweetener and the honey, and I was just savoring it. You know? That is the painting, y'all. It's the paper. With the numbers. With the numbers. Then we take out the paint. I don't have scissors. I really hope that's easy to open. Some directions. By number, tips and tricks. Use the number reference sheet provided to match the paint color with the correct area on the canvas. No shit. But where's the, those are the brushes. Oh, okay, the numbers are on the actual paints. So each number matches a number on here. And that's how you paint by number, honey. Oh. I found the one. I assume we have to start with 1 first, right? Or am I missing something? Can I start with 2 first? Because 1 is white, 2 is like a pinky tan color. Alright, I think I'm starting with 2, guys. And I'm gonna lie, it's kind of hard to see. But we gonna figure it out. This shit's in my face. Quite literally in my face. Okay, holding my breath. Okay, guys. Going in with the 2. We going in with a 2. In with a 2. Okay. I'm creeping up. I'm gonna finish the 2 in the middle here. Like going this way. Okay, I'm trying not to get my hand in it. It's kind of hard, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, guys. You wanna see how far I got? We are just gonna finish this 2 right here. Kind of in the middle. And then we gonna move on. Alright, we're moving into the outside. We're almost done with the outside. Almost. I think I did all of the 2. Alright, moving on to number 3. I can't open it, hang on. God damn. Make it very hard. We're doing the pink. A light pink. A very light pink. Alright. Let's lock in, everybody. Focus. Focus. Man, this is tiny. This is very tiny. Guys, this is not easy. Gotta get in here. God damn. You love the ASMR. I'm so glad you love my heavy breathing. Progress. We're adding dimension, y'all. Okay. She's coming together. Beautiful. Now, on to number 4. Oh, I missed a 3. I missed a 3. One more 3, y'all. Alright, guys, I'm holding my breath for dear life. We're adding more and more dimension, going darker and darker. And I'm locked in down here like that. I don't know how the hell they thought I was going to be able to do all this with that. Or this. Oh, no, wait. What's the other thing they gave me? Sorry, they gave me this or this. This is what came with it. Bruh. Neither of these brushes are getting me what I need. If I would have used this, I would have been cooked. Cooked. Michael's trying to do me wrong. There we go. Beautiful. She's really just gonna come to life. Okay, we are on number 7. Okay. These 7s are toy.
Okay, that's it, she's done. Now we're on to 8, guys. Number 8.
Beautiful. It's gonna come together very nicely, y'all. Cute. Do we love it? Do we love it? All we have left is number 9 and then white. I'm gonna like sloppily do it kinda and then get in there with the detail. We gotta color it in, guys. The details. The details. Here she is. I do kind of want to do the white though. And then I think I'm done for reals. I do got 5 minutes on the clock. Alright, guys.